Welcome back. Goa Medical College and Hospital performed its first kidney transplant successfully on Saturday. The transplant was conducted on an 18-year-old boy, Lovesh Dilapkar, who was undergoing treatment for renal failure. His mother donated her kidney for her son.
After setting up a urology unit, Goa Medical College and Hospital is now all set to conduct the kidney transplants. Kidney transplant patients were earlier referred outside state due to lack of facilities in the GMC. Medical Superintendent of GMC Rajan Kunkurekar informed us that the operation was performed by Dr. Madhu Mohan Prabhudesai under the guidance of two expert surgeons from Bombay Hospital.
That is on 15th of October 2011. The first kidney transplant operation has been performed at Goa Medical College, Bambolim Hospital, on one Mr. Lovesh Dilapkar, a young boy of 18 years. The kidney has been donated by his mother, and the operation was performed by the Department of Urology, headed by Dr. Madhu Mohan Prabhudesai, in collaboration with the Department of Nephrology, and he was helped by the two expert doctors from Bombay Hospital, Mumbai.
Kunkurekar said the GMC is now also equipped with the post-transplant care facility. The urology unit of GMC has been operating since April 2010. Unit receives about 100 and odd patients for OPDs every day. The OPD functions thrice a week, while surgical unit has undertaken more than 600 surgeries since past 18 months. A reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai.
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has blamed Comptroller Auditor General of India for inflated valuation in 2G spectrum camp. He says that it has damaged the country's reputation. MP Shantaram Naik was speaking at a concluding function of National Seminar on Valuation of Assets in Panji.
1,74,000 crores was said to be the loss to the government exchequer. As a result, we were defamed throughout the country. Is that experts are coming to a conclusion that the loss to the exchequer was around 33,000. Compare 1,75,000 crores and 3,000 crores. But this inflated figure has killed us.
Reports indicate that the CAG overruled his own auditor in calculating the loss caused to the exchequer by the spectrum allocation. Documents in public domain through a RTI application suggest that RAI backed the presumptive loss from 2G spectrum sale at a massive 1.76 lakh crore rupees. Whereas his lead 2G auditor, Director General Audit R.P. Singh, had estimated the loss from allotment of Unified Access Service licenses and 2G spectrum at a far lower 2,645 crore rupees.
Comptroller and Auditor General of India, which is a constitutional body which we have got to respect, he has started making speeches outside. This is the most dishonest government I have seen. There, I am saying, the sanctity of the report also get lost.
The National Seminar on Valuation of Assets by the Institution of Valuers, Goa branch, was held at Panji. Shantaram Naik has also assured the valuers to regulate their services. Our reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
Locals from Uttorda have complained of illegal handcarts and gadas operating in their village. They claim that Panchayat has failed to take necessary action against violators even after the High Court orders. Sarpanch of the Panchayat has now assured strict action against the lawbreakers.
Following a complaint from around 200 locals, illegal handcarts and gadas at Uttorda were inspected by a team of Sarpanch, PWD officials and health officers.
Great inconvenience to pedestrians and to vehicular traffic. Two vehicles cannot cross each other here. Besides, we find that many non-Goans are getting accumulated here at this junction in the night. Also, I have heard that they are harassing people when they go in the night, and so many illegal activities like Matka is also going on.
Sarpanch of Majorda Uttorda Panchayat, Visitation De Silva, has assured to take strict action against the law violators.
But they are fixed, and some of them don't have a license. Some licenses I have not renewed, after I got the complaint from the villagers. And I'm going to see that the gadas should go moving. They shouldn't remain in this place.
The Secretary of Panchayat, Sainath Padwal, seemed all confused. First he blamed the Panchayat and then refused.
Panchayat is faulty, sir.
Faulty, because it is kept on one fixed place.
Violation of High Court.
A violation of order, yeah, it is.
Panchayat is faulty.
Panchayat has to decide on that, no?
No,
Whether they have to issue or not.
तुम्ही मान्य करता की पंचायत fault असा म्हणून.
That is you speak with the sarpanch only, no?
One of the handcart owner claims that Panchayat collect 500 rupees every month but does not give a receipt.
500 महिने 500
आणि तुका receipt दिता?
रेसिट दिना
दिना?
ना
कोण व्हरता पैसे?
तांगे दिवची माणूस वाटता.
Earlier, Deputy Collector had issued notices to the local governing bodies to remove handcarts and gadas along the roadside and especially at the junctions. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Increase in petrol prices has hit tourist taxi operators badly. Tourist taxi owners operating for a beach club in Hertford are annoyed with the hotel management. They claim that the fares have not been raised for the past 4 years. They have threatened of severe agitation if their demands are not met.
Many tourist taxi operators operating for Royal Goan Beach Club at Hertford are unhappy with the hotel management. They claim that in spite of various representations from the union, there has been no increase in the fares. Operators claim that the last revision of rates was in 2008.
ज्यांना 44 रुपीज आले त्यांना पेट्रोल आमकां आले त्यांना ती रेट आली ती अजूनही रेट आहा आमी 240 तरी वचून मेवळे वयर तांकां सांगलें ते आयकनान वो जॉर्ज म्हणून मनीस आहा तो जॉर्ज आपली हुमशाही करता जेन्ना तेजे कडेन आमी गेले ताका सांगलें आमी पळय आमची पेट्रोल वाडलेलें आमकां रेट वाडोवन दी तो रेट वाडोवन दिना आदी पासून आमची रेट आहा तोच रेट आहा आतां 2008 आमी तळेत आहा.
General Secretary of North Goa Taxi Owners Association Vinayak Nanoskar has threatened of severe agitation if their demands are not met.
आता इतक्या म्हारगायेन हे आजूनय जर 4-4 वर्सां पयलींची रेटी आजूनय चलता जाल्यार ते कशें जातले सगळी म्हारगाय जायना म्हणून इतली सादी रेट सादी गोश्ट हे मॅनेजमेंटाक आमी सांगले रे भावांचे आयकना म्हणून आयज हें पावल आमकां घेवचें पडलें. जर हें अशें कोण आयकना जाल्यार हेच्या करून आमी वयर वयतले फुडें स्ट्रायक करतले आनी मागीर एक गांव एकठांय जातलो हे सगळे गांव भाव आमचे.
Manager of the hotel, Richard Fernandez, said that hotel management will have a meeting with the taxi operators to sort out the issue.
Saying that it's a company decision, okay, so the company will just speak to them what has to be sorted out. That is be done with the company. I informed this is a problem, they wanted it. So the company will interfere, they have a meeting with them and they sort it out.
A reporter from Hertford, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.